They asked me the question no one wants to hear. They didn't ask about the plan. They didn't ask about the work. They looked me dead in the eye and said, "What if you fail? What if every sacrifice, every rep, every late night amounts to nothing?" I didn't flinch. I told them the truth. I'll try again, because the person I am today can't afford to go back. That old version of me is dead. You can't return to comfort once you've seen your own potential. Look in the mirror. You want the truth? Nothing changes if nothing changes. You are standing on a choice right now. The pain of discipline or the pain of regret. One is temporary. The other is a life sentence. You get to pick your suffering. You cannot expect extraordinary results from a comfort zone routine. If you want a 10 times life, you give 10 times effort. That's not motivation. That's math. And here's what most people miss. They already know what to do. They just keep betraying their potential with small, silent compromises. Don't be most people. Forget the massive goals. Focus on the tiny betrayals you commit every day. For me, it was the snooze button. That extra 15 minutes wasn't rest. It was me telling my future self this doesn't matter enough. Once I killed that button, everything else, the focus, the training, the fire, fell into place. Those small cracks are where your life leaks out. You don't need a better plan. You need better execution. You don't need louder motivation. You need quiet consistency. The change can be small, but the commitment must be absolute. Oh, but it's too hard, too boring, too unfair. So what? Keep going. Keep the damn pace. Discipline doesn't care about your mood. It only cares that you showed up. If you're serious about this, subscribe to the channel. This isn't entertainment. It's a contract you make with yourself. You're declaring that you want this fire in your feed every week. Think about it. Tanjiro didn't master his breathing overnight. He repeated one motion, one failure, one lesson thousands of times until it became instinct. That's not just anime. That's discipline. That's the same formula Kobe used in the gym and Goggins on the road. Your life doesn't change from one massive effort. It changes through the tiny, disciplined actions you repeat when no one's watching. Did you read 5 pages today? Did you train when it was raining? Did you choose the harder option when comfort whispered your name? Every choice you make, it's either a brick laid for your empire or a hole dug for your grave. The reason most people fail? They refuse to change the little things. They chase massive breakthroughs while ignoring the tiny choices that decide everything. If you want the life you say you want, the success, the respect, the freedom, then you have to do what you don't want to do. When it's hard, when it's boring, when no one is watching. The change starts when the excuses stop. So move, right now. No more tomorrow. No more when I feel ready. It's time to act like the person you promised you'd become. Drop a comment and tell me the one small thing you're changing today. Don't just watch this, use it. And if this message hits, subscribe. Join the movement that chooses growth over comfort, fire over fear, and progress over perfection. Rise little by little. That's how you build the fire. That's how you become the one who never quits.